Perfect, 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 Hello everybody, this is Andre J. McClendon. Welcome to the show. Today we're going to be talking about how to store one of these. Now this is a silver 1 ounce Troy 8 APMEX coin, and I'm going to show you guys why I store with APMEX and with gold silver. So we'll jump right into it. So our first thing is, guys, when it comes to Citadel is not free. You got to pay for the storage. But there's some very convenient things you get. Now you can just read off the bat from here. But what I like about it is when I order from APMEX directly from their website, they ship it directly to APMEX, and if you buy in a large enough volume, the shipping cost to there is free, which is awesome. They have multiple ways of payment, and the security and the lack of any problems. Like, that's amazing. I'm sorry, there's almost no problems. I've read online, I haven't seen anyone lose their silver or gold or have any issues with that. So this is what I like. Also, is that when you're buying physical silver or gold or platinum, palladium, whatever you want to have or buy, is to have some allocated overseas, some stored in the States, and storing with them, yeah, you got to pay $15 to $30 a month. I just found it preserves your wealth, and you're building better and better, especially with reputable companies. Now, APMEX, they're really good about when you get a physical delivery to yourself, and there's an issue with the silver, like scratches or shavings off the top or something like that. Call them up, and they replace the bar. So when it comes to buying silver and gold, there's other videos that I've made, but for this one, to be specific, I only buy from main dealers. I can get my money back if something happens. All right, but I'll say overall, I give Citadel 5 out of 5, and you can watch this introductory video about it. Yes, it's an amazing storage company, and the fees are not bad. Like, it's only been like $15. You pay once every 3 months, like $45, something like that, and it's pretty easy. And you get your stuff on delivery back. And if you want to sell your precious metals, they'll deliver it back to APMEX and sell your products to them. All right, so our next one is gold, silver. Now, I talked about gold, silver with Mike Maloney in other videos, but what I like about this is that it comes with so much financial knowledge. So if you want to increase your knowledge about money or business, please check out his website. But we'll jump into the storage. Now, he uses Brinks and the integrated vault storage. What I like about it is that they have allocated and allocated storage. So whatever you buy, you keep in your name. You do spend a little bit more for this, but if you're buying collectibles, or you're buying bars that you want specifically and not, mixed up with the rest, then you can do this with that. It does cost more, but they do have inside the United States, they have Canada, Singapore, and Hong Kong storage, easy selling. And once again, I've never had an issue with these guys. I've been storing for these guys for years now. I bought the book, obviously. Read, it's one of my favorite books to read. But when it comes to this, when it comes to storage, with storing with them, it's such an easy process. You do have to spend some money, but I tell them, like, money has a cost. Business has a cost. If you're spending $20, $100 a month just to maintain your wealth and it being secured and it have insurance on it, so it's like a win-win. So, guys, like, subscribe. Please drop a comment below. Where do you buy your silver or gold? And how do you store it? Store it in your garage, under your couch, on your TV? Where do you store your guys' stuff? Not specifically, but how, and where do you guys buy? I like to build the conversation more. For the new subscribers, guys, this is another just video about helping you guys preserve wealth. My channel's about business and money, investing, and if you guys do these things, you don't have to. Just telling you what I specifically do. So please, once again, share this out with everyone. If you want to find out more how to trade, go to the link below. It's to be on one of these signs, AndreJMcClendon.com. And thank you guys for making it to the end. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you.